What is the difference between corn flour and cornmeal? I have a recipe that calls for a mix of corn and wheat flours, but my local grocery stores in the southeast US only carry cornmeal. What is the difference between corn flour and cornmeal? Can I safely use cornmeal in the place of corn flour?
The difference between the two can be seen below. The post it is from is an experiment comparing cornmeal and flour used in anadema bread. See link 1. The corn flour is the white, finer ingredient on the right. The first obvious difference is that the texture will differ between the two. The second is that it would have different uses. Both would be effective at displacing gluten-containing flours, as in, neither would be helpful in gluten formation. In terms of substitution, however, cornmeal is likelier substituted by something like semolina flour and corn flour is likelier better substituted by quinoa or garbanzo bean flour. Both are ground corn, maize, as they would have it in Europe. The difference is that corn flour is usually ground to a much finer texture than cornmeal. While in some contexts, such as breading chicken, they can both be used, you will get different textural results. In general, you want to use the right product. For example, corn muffins are normally made with cornmeal, and if made with corn flour, would be much denser and without the mouthfeel the individual cornmeal granules provide. Update: in some places, polenta is another term for cornmeal, as well as for the porridge or mush made from the cornmeal. Masa is dried lye-treated corn, which has been ground. It is used widely in southwestern, central, and South American cuisines, including for the iconic corn tortillas, and for tamales.